There are more than 20 methods of teaching physical sciences. Here we are going to discuss heuristic method. So in this method, the students learn by exploring. The teacher role is that of the path setter who rectifies the faults at the proper time. As the children work and perform experiments, they attain new knowledge. The exponents of this method was Professor Armstrong. I hope you can see this. Yes. So according to him, the soul of the learning of science is exploration. The student should explore and explore the facts and principles themselves. So in this method, the student work as an explorer. The student does not have knowledge of experiments in the beginning. He has to perform several experiments to obtain required information and principles. He also has to study the related literature. So, the merits and demerits of teaching with the heuristic method. Merits. Number 1, the student develops scientific temper. Second, the method makes them exact and bring them closer to truth. Point number 3, the student observation power is developed and his thinking ability is enhanced. Fourth point, the student develop interest and capability to work harder. Point number 5, the student develop qualities of activeness, self-confidence and self-dependency. Sixth point, this method prepares students for life. Point number 7, the knowledge obtained is more stable. As this method, the knowledge gained in this method is by experimenting. So, the knowledge or the outcome retained in the brain, or it can be called as more stable. Point number 8, contemplation and awakening increases in the students. Point number 9, the whole work is completed in the class, so there is no need for homework. Of course, demerits. The pace being slow, the whole curriculum cannot be completed in the fixed time period. Point number 2, the student find it difficult to draw conclusions. Point number 3, the teacher has to make special preparation to use this method. Fourth, the method is not applicable for junior classes as they cannot perform the experiments themselves, or they may find it difficult to draw conclusions. So this method is not better for junior classes. Point number 5, for this method a good laboratory and a good library is also required. Sixth, more money is spent. Seventh, difficult to impart education to large groups. Eighth, not good for weak students. Suggestions. Heuristic method should be realistic. Point number 2, few selected lessons should be taught by this method instead of the whole curriculum. Third, the teacher should be alert and conscious towards his duty. Thank you.